Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on importing media using Openverse in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, navigate your media library, and use Openverse to seamlessly add new images to your website. Begin by opening your WordPress homepage in your web browser. When the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see the login option. Clicking this area takes you into your WordPress account, a crucial step to ensuring that any media you wish to use is connected with your personal or professional website. After you click the login button, you will be presented with various authentication methods. Among these, you will see the option to continue with Google. Selecting this feature simplifies the login process by using your existing Google account. Once you click continue with Google, a list of Google accounts available on your device will appear. Choose the account you wish to associate with your WordPress site. This method provides an efficient and secure way to get started without the need to remember a separate password. Once you have successfully signed into your WordPress account, it is time to explore the media library. The media library is where all your images, videos, and other files are stored and managed. On your dashboard, look for the media library icon or link and click on it. This action opens a new area within WordPress where you can see every file you have previously uploaded. Being familiar with the media library can help you keep track of your content and decide which images to update or replace as you expand your website. Within the media library section, you will notice an option labeled Import Media. Click on this option to begin the process of integrating external media into your WordPress site. Import Media is designed to simplify the addition of new content by providing a dedicated interface for sourcing and uploading images. As you click this option, you will be guided further into the import process and presented with clear instructions on what to do next. The next part of the import process takes you to Openverse. Openverse is a resource integrated within WordPress, offering access to a vast collection of free-to-use images. It functions as a bridge connecting you to high-quality media that can enhance the visual appeal of your website. In the Openverse section, take a moment to scroll and browse through the available images. This step is vital to selecting an image that not only complements your content, but also adheres to the necessary usage rights. After you have carefully browsed through the images in Openverse and selected one that meets your needs, look for the Import Now button. Clicking this button initiates the download and integration of the chosen image into your media library automatically. This step is simple, yet effective for ensuring that your media collection stays up to date with fresh visuals. Following the initiation, confirm your choice by selecting the photo you wish to import from the options presented. Finally, click on the Final Import Media button to complete the process. Once you confirm the selection, the media file will be added to your media library, making it available for use on your website immediately. Thank you for following this detailed guide. With these clear and step-by-step instructions, you can confidently use Openverse within WordPress to enhance your website with high-quality media, improving both the appearance and engagement of your online content. Enjoy creating and managing your media content with ease.